Here is Trump Tower, another view of Trump Tower in the beautiful area of, where am I? Oh, Chicago. So the question is, think about it. What are your number one predictions for the election? If Trump wins or lose, will there be violence? What would a second Trump presidency look like? And next, very important, are the January 6th, which is a beautiful day because it's my birthday. Other people that were involved in that, terrorists. Was it a national security threat? And most importantly, what should we do? And did it hurt our standing in the world? That becomes a very important question with the January 6th insurrection. And was it an insurrection? So think about all of those questions. Why do people commit acts of political violence like that? Is it kind of a cult-esque following of Donald Trump? I mean, Donald Trump doesn't have any of these big Trump towers in those states, West Virginia, a lot of the southern states, etc. Beautiful night, though. And at Trump Tower, I'm not staying there, unfortunately. All is over and out. Beautiful view.